You can use the EasyPark app to start, end, and manage parking periods conveniently with your smartphone. When installed in your Audi, this app makes parking even simpler. Parking zones are detected automatically. The parking period can be started easily in the vehicle and ends automatically as soon as you leave the parking area. You will find the EasyPark app in the myAudi App Store under the Apps tab. Select EasyPark. Start installation. Read the download information and then press Install again. The app will now be installed. You can now open EasyPark in the app menu and log in to your account. First, enter your mobile number. Press on the arrow to confirm it, then consent to the general terms and conditions. Now enter the 6-digit code you have received via text message. Press on the arrow to confirm your entry. Press Continue. Now enter your license plate. Then press Save License Plate. You can now add a payment type. To do so, enter your payment data. After entering the data, select Add Card. EasyPark requires access to your location data to suggest available parking zones to you. Allow access. Extended permissions help EasyPark to detect when you leave a parking area with your Audi. Select Allow, and then allow all the time to improve automatic ending of the parking period. Press on the back arrow at the top left. EasyPark is now ready to use. If you switch to parking mode in an area where EasyPark is supported, a notification will appear in your Audi. Press on the pop-up to open the app. If more than one parking zone is detected, press on the displayed zone. Then select your preferred parking zone. Select Start Parking. The parking time will now start. You can view the parking status and parking time in the EasyPark app on your smartphone while on the go. EasyPark detects when you leave the parking area with your vehicle and ends the parking period automatically from speeds of 15 km/h upwards. This means that no extra costs are incurred if you ever forget to end a parking period. You can also end the parking period manually at any time in the vehicle. In addition to this, you can view previous parking periods in the smartphone app.